Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the basics. Install Google Messages and make it your default SMS app so messages route correctly. Allow the SMS, contacts, and storage permissions. This lets you send attachments and CNAMEs. Next, enable chat features for RCS-rich messaging. This upgrades texts to read receipts and typing indicators. Once done, the app can use Wi-Fi or mobile data for richer conversations, which reduces SMS costs and improves media delivery. Keep your phone number verified to ensure chat features activate reliably. You create a message by tapping the plus or searching the contact. Type your text and use the paperclip or plus icon to attach photos, videos, audio, or documents. Make sure to preview attachments because large files may convert to MMS and use carrier limits. Once sent, you can react to messages, forward them to others, or pin important threads to the top. Also, archive old conversations to declutter. This keeps your main list focused, yet preserves history you might need later. You finish by tailoring messages to your workflow. Adjust notifications, enable conversation bubbles, and choose dark theme for battery savings. Backup SMS to Google Drive or use device backup so you never lose text when switching phones. For group chats, use edit group details and manage participants for clarity. If a message won't send, toggle airplane mode briefly, restart the app, and re-enable chat features. This often resets network sessions. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.